Here in my workspace, I can see everything I have access to now, not only the things that I've created myself, but also everything that colleagues have shared with me and who has done so, which is really helpful for collaboration. And a quick shout out here to Jonas and Nicole. They have built the respective dashboards, AI, BI spaces and notebooks they've been looking at today. Now, let me point out something important. Everything I have shown you so far has been no-code, simple click-based functionality. That means any user can get started immediately without needing technical expertise. But here you also see notebooks. These are a bit different. Notebooks represent written code. They are a space where data science teams or software engineers can take things further. And what I want to share with you now are two results of such work, which we will double-click into. It's first, dealer inventory and spare parts, and second, smart servicing. If you're worried about where to start, hey, you can use our blueprints. With blueprints, we provide out-of-the-box recipes that help you accelerate your digital journey. They are ready-made starting points for common use cases. From there, your teams can either customize these blueprints further or build entirely new solutions on your own. Let's start with dealer inventory and spare parts. Dealer inventory is a leading signal. If inventory is growing, hey, that usually points to lower sales velocity. If inventory is shrinking, it shows that machines are moving, which may highlight stronger demand or successful marketing campaigns. Starting out, this view shows you exactly how many unsold machines are currently located at each dealer site. In this example, it's represented on the map, but it could easily be a list or any other overview that helps you best. In this example here, we've seen a lower inventory stock in the dealership in Cologne compared to Munich, for example. What's also powerful here is that you can compare trends across your dealer network. For example, you can see where inventory levels are rising and take action with marketing or sales levers. You can also identify where inventory is running low and adjust manufacturing or restocking accordingly. You can then break it down further by machine type or other differentiators that are of importance as well. In practice, this can help you with very concrete questions around where do I have too much capital tied up in machines sitting idle at dealerships, or where do I risk stockouts and need to redirect production or accelerate delivery. So it really isn't just about visibility, it's about planning. Speaking of planning, hey, that's also required for capturing the aftermarket. As you can see here, we connect spare parts demand directly to machinery usage, either through usage-based replacements like filters or through specific error codes that point to what needs replacing. What you can get to is a forecast about your upcoming revenue potential. In this case, nearly 10 million euros expected over the next 12 months. That's immediate visibility into the size of the aftermarket opportunity, which could be then compared to your actuals afterwards. You can break it down further by machine types as we have seen before, or by the actual spare parts like hydraulic filter kits, track rollers, etc. What then can directly lead to action is identifying the individual machine and its owning customer. That's no longer just analytics. It's a direct sales lead for your teams to act upon. In fact, in our next webinar, we will show you how these leads can flow directly into your CRM systems like Salesforce, so sales and service teams can reach out at exactly the right time. Good? Hey, that was example number 1. Let's check out smart servicing as well. So what is smart servicing about? The moment a machine is returned to your depot, you can automatically generate a report about the machinery and how it has been used from the time it left the depot to when it came back. This immediately tells you if any maintenance is due or if the machine has experienced impacts or stress during the operation requiring a more detailed inspection. You can also see how and where the machine was used on the map, giving you full context of its activity in the field. And if there are error codes, the system immediately highlights whether they are critical or non-critical, providing you with clear guidance for technicians or check-in staff on the next step. This ties back to what we saw at the very beginning today, where you can bring in guidance on how to fix error codes. The value for you is simple. Hey, faster turnaround of your machines, fewer surprises when the machine is being actually returned, and overall reduced downtime. Hey, that concludes the demo from my side. We have looked at how Lakehouse builds the foundation for your data and how analytics and insights let you interact with it and forecast. And finally now, how notebooks and blueprints open up new use cases like dealer inventory, spare parts prediction, and smart servicing. With that, let me circle back to Domokos. Domokos, any final thoughts on impact in the field?
Dealership inventory forecasting is already helping OEMs free up millions in working capital. So typically we see this ranging between 5 to 10% of stock value. So one of our OEM partners on their 50 million US dollars spare part stock achieved in its first year 4 million freed up working capital. And separately, if you look at the other use case that Leo just shared here with us live, spare part analytics is already driving new revenue. So just by ensuring availability of parts, OEM partners of ours are capturing the 3 to 5% revenue lift. So one of our OEM partners achieved 2 million US dollar in extra top line growth for about a mid-sized network. So amazing cost savings and revenue generation that you're seeing across some of these blueprints. Again, these blueprints are ready to deploy reference solutions built on IrisX that you can adjust to your business needs, but provided by Trackunit for you from the get-go.